This is Dave Manvelato Odds. It is April 22nd, 2023. I'm making this tutorial to go over the combine winners feature and show you how it works. Okay, the combine winners feature works with the quick pick feature. So you got to get into the quick pick feature first. To this stage right here, where you see these pair sums. Okay, and these pairs here. So this is what's going to be customized. That is what this combined winners customized. Now you can either put past winners in here or your own pairs. So past winners or your own pairs. So you can either choose it from this drop down menu like that. I like to flip them over from low to high. Sorry, like that. Anyway, you could choose them like that. All right. Or choose any past winners that you want to utilize. You can, hold on, let me move this out the way. You can isolate, go to state level 1 here, or add this level 2. And so this is level 1, this is level 2 when I isolate that. Level 3 is when you isolate the high, low, odd, even. So you could go there and pick, past winners from there, or you could put in your own past winners. Okay, and when you do that and you click apply, okay, it will basically change these here. The reason why you didn't see a change is because it already utilizes these past 3 here. So if you did something like this and you took, let's see, that, okay, that, and let's say that, and you did that, see how it customizes it? Now it's got different pairs based on that. You can even put one number in, whichever number you'd like, and apply that. And then see how it has 14 front pair, 15 split pair, 4, 5 back pair. And it has these numbers here, which are 28 numbers. You could utilize the filters here to reduce the numbers more. All the filters work with it. In addition, you could utilize the hit win feature. I'm not going to explain how this works. I explained it in past videos. You could go through that and see. And then see you have level 1 and level 2. So basically level 1 and level 2, you should know what that means already by my past videos. So if you click that there, it goes split. It shows you the split pairs. Okay, and split pairs obviously is going to have the FBS and FSB flashing as well, because FSB is front back split or front split back. So the split is in there. If you want to take those out, go to FBS right there and turn these off like that. Okay, and do that. And then you'll just have, you get the front, hold on, split is right there. So there's no splits here, you see that? So the winner would be front, right? If you take the FBS and FSB out, front or back, like that. You can utilize other filters as well. Let's see, you can put your own pairs in, 0, 1 like that. And this is what you'll get like that. And you can also utilize the hit and miss with that too. Hold on. All right. This one needs to be corrected. Yeah, this is buggy. Right there. That one needs, hold on. That one needs to be corrected. Yeah, because it keeps flipping back to that. All right, so anyway, we'll work on that one when you put your own pairs in. So if you put a past winner in, create the pairs, yeah, and it's flipping back to that. All right, we need to fix that. So, all right, anyway, so if you also, let me show you here, if you go to the second click, you got the low, the level, excuse me, level 1, level 2, level 3. You got the hit and miss there with the split, with the front, with the back as well. And then you got it on level 4 as well. There. See that? Okay. Now, level 1, 2, and 3, you can't filter these with the number filters because this level is using the filters already to filter them out and to show you displayed numbers. So, you don't want to touch those and mess up the display. It messes everything up. Okay, what you can do basically is you could either you could grab actually these past winners like that, okay, and you can go to this page here, and then you could just enter them there like that. And don't forget to put a comma. That's important. Put a comma between them like that, and when you enter them like that, it should work. Yeah. Okay, so the split, the hit win is not working properly on the first page, which that's an easy correct. I got to correct that. So, okay, so no problem. But the filters are working. So the filters are working. So you can utilize the filters on that. 64 pair sums, like that. Yeah, so they are definitely working, the filters. Okay, this thing has to be corrected. So, and that's pretty much it. So I'll make additional tutorial videos and practice videos, and we'll start going through these so you can really understand how the quick pick feature works, because it's a very powerful feature. Good luck.